हेलो साहब, प्रमोटर शेयर होल्डर्स का भी लॉगिन करवा दो ना। हाँ हाँ हाँ। नहीं तो आप आपको मैं जो लिंक भेजा, आप उससे ये करो। नहीं नहीं, आप उससे नहीं करे, आप सीडीएसएल के उससे करे बोल के आपको अटेंडेंस में दिख रहा। अब वो सीडीएसएल का करे तो छोड़ दो। अभी अभी मैं जो लिंक भेजा आपको दूसरे ब्राउजर में ओपन करो आप। अभी नहीं साहब, आपको 2-3 दिन पहले भी एक लिंक भेजा, आज सुबह में भी एक लिंक भेजा मैं, आज भी एक लिंक भेजे। हाँ जी आप। हाँ आप वो लिंक से, आप मैं जो लिंक भेजा आप अगर उस पर क्लिक कर रहे हैं तो आपको आपका भी फोटो दिखता, सब दिखता। नहीं तो आप सीडीएसएल के उससे करें तो आपको कुछ भी नहीं दिखता, आपको खाली मतलब आप सबको देख सकते हैं। जो सीडीएसएल का है उसको उसको रहने दो वैसे ही, दूसरे ब्राउजर में ओपन करो। हाँ। अरे डेस्कटॉप वगैरह नहीं है क्या कुछ भी? अरे तो एक काम करो, डेस्कटॉप में शेयर होल्डर लॉग इन कर लो डेस्कटॉप पे। आप शेयर होल्डर नहीं है क्या? फिर आपका नाम बता रहा ना, खुदा बिन शेख बोल के। शेयर होल्डर की लिस्ट में आपका नाम बता रहा। मेल आईडी कुछ नहीं, खाली नाम है के बोल क्या। हाँ उसमें करो आप। अरे ये आपका फिर इसके अंदर
to speak. मैं अभी प्रियंका, सर मैं उनको कॉल करता, लॉगिन हो।
हेलो। हाँ सर हो गया। उनका थोड़ा वो कोरम का था, लेकिन वो सुबह लॉगिन किया ना तो मैं तो वो बस हो गया।
प्रियंका को निकाल दिया। डन स्पीकिंग बोल के है, ओके स्टार्ट।
हेलो
डू
खुदावन
यू
सर।
वांट टू? नो।
हेलो।
हेलो, हाँ बोलो।
हाँ सर, ये आप स्टार्ट वीडियो कीजिए अपना।
अभी स्टार्ट बोल के है ना, वहाँ पे स्टार्ट दबाऊं?
हाँ स्टार्ट वीडियो करो।
वीडियो का है माँ, वीडियो नहीं आ रहा, जस्ट स्टार्ट है।
ओके स्टार्ट करो।
डू यू वांट टू लीव द मीटिंग, स्टार्ट अनदर वन? नो।
नो नो नो।
चार्ट सेटिंग, थर्ड एक्सटर्नल कंटेंट्स मीटिंग। नहीं आ रहा ना मेरे को, कहाँ है वो? मैं कहाँ तक? पर्सनल मीटिंग आईडी तक आया, स्टार्ट, सेंड इनविटेशन, एडिट, नीचे है ना मीट एंड चार्ट मीटिंग, कॉन्टैक्ट्स, सेटिंग, बस।
मीटिंग में आओ सर, आप मीटिंग रूम से बाहर जाइए।
मीटिंग में कनेक्ट हो गया। तो मीटिंग तो कनेक्ट हो गया। मीट है, उसमें क्या है, ऑडियो वीडियो का कुछ आया ही नहीं। सेटिंग में जाओ क्या, नहीं तो
एक सेकंड।
ऑडियो में नहीं आ रहा मेरे। कैसा करना प्रियंका?
मैं आपको आस्क टू स्टार्ट वीडियो करी हूँ, आप आ रहा क्या देखो, कुछ डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर हो रहा।
शेख खुदावन बेसिक था यहाँ पे एक जूम का ये है, मीटिंग कॉन्टेक्ट, मीटिंग ज्वाइन, मीटिंग करूँ, मीटिंग्स करूँ?
हाँ करो।
वही है, पर्सनल मीटिंग आईडी आता है बस, उतना ही।
वोटिंग हो गई ऑलरेडी। ओके हाँ देखो दूसरा कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं दिख रहा आपके सिस्टम का भी कुछ।
प्रियंका
यस सर।
नहीं आ रहा। प्रियंका शेख खुदावन इज स्पीकिंग, इट इज कमिंग ओवर हियर। खुदावन इज स्पीकिंग, डन स्पीकिंग। ऑडियो कहाँ है इसमें?
स्वाइप कीजिए सर,
ऊपर
आपकी
को
स्क्रीन को स्वाइप कीजिए, नहीं साइड स्वाइप।
प्रियंका ये नहीं जा रहा साइड को।
आ जाओ, मैं मेरा क्या है, आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ।
वही नहीं तो 5 मिनट लेट हो जाता है। सेकेंड हॉलीडे बोलने वाले ये मेरी डिले हो जाएगा तब बोली Can we come right? Of course. Second October anyways in our lives.
कोई holiday I have to pay them double, so I'm trying to chill as well.
Because Monday तक बहुत डिले हो जाएगा।
नहीं, आ जा आ जा आ जा आ जा, अगर शाम को बोल दे, अभी मेरे से पूछेगा।
तो ना आप पूछ लो बोल रहे शाम।
यहीं सो जाओ तुम दोनों।
गर्मी कैसे करके
I told her to come later because I have this Zoom meeting which I don't know what's.
What? You're on the Zoom meeting. Yeah, there you are.
Yeah, but where is my boss, Firoz?
You can mute your system.
Ah,
Right.
Firoz.
Speaker view.
It's back to unmute.
View. Gallery.
Everyone is muted except me.
Yes.
Everyone's video is off except yours, so you can stop your video.
Let me see.
I'm just showing you all the.
You're still not unmuted.
Oh, I'm not muted. Why?
You're not getting mute?
No, I can hear you off and on.
No, but I can hear you.
I can't see anyone else.
I can hear you, but I shouldn't hear you. So just mute your.
Good evening, Firoz sir. How are you?
Hi.
Yeah, how are you?
Hello. Ravi.
Yes, yes. How are you?
All well.
How do I put on picture? Yes. Now you can see me.
Yes, 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 yes. Mr. Adibot is not joining.
Pardon? He hasn't got the link.
Okay.
He hasn't got the link, so he doesn't know how to join.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
I had to download your Zoom.
That's good.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Firoz.
Good afternoon.
Surya Prakash.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, fine. I think we are meeting first time. We
Yes,
might have
sir.
spoken over phone on this previous occasions.
Yes, sir.
So, good evening, everyone. We'll start our proceedings of the annual general meeting, 37th annual general meeting. So, good evening to all. I, Priyanka Jain, Company Secretary of your company, welcome you all to the 37th annual general meeting of your company, which is held through video conference on this day, that is 30th September 2020 at 4 o'clock Indian Standard Time. I further request Mr. Khudawan Sheikh, CFO, to deliver his welcome speech. Khudawan, sir.
I think Priyanka, personally, physically 5 members are present, no? Shareholders?
Yes.
5.
Total attendees as on now, they are 10.
Okay.
Okay.
He doesn't seem to be able to unmute his system.
Okay.
Yeah. Go ahead, Khudawan.
Hello, sir. Sir, Daddy sir is struggling to join. Mr. Hussein.
हेलो हाँ मिस्टर खुदावन
हुसैन गोविंद जरा हम डीआरबी सर को जरा फोन करो यार, तो लॉग इन होने के लिए बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है। मैं बोले तो भी द स्क्रीन इज नॉट कमिंग टू जॉइन इन द मीटिंग।
नहीं अगर डज ही हैव द वेबकैम विथ हिम?
हाँ, वेबकैम
मतलब इट इज अ सिंपल, मतलब वो लिंक पे क्लिक करते ही ही वुड बी एबल टू जॉइन इन द मीटिंग।
हाँ, वेबकैम वो सिस्टम से करते हैं या इससे करते हैं पता नहीं है। You are having his number, telephone number?
Can you please text me or WhatsApp?
Okay. Just now I will text. Text his number. Okay. Sir, 1 minute, sir. Govind?
Yes, Mr. Khudaven.
मीटिंग में ज्वाइन हम लेके आई एम नॉट गेटिंग दैट oh
Sir, we are able to hear you.
yeah, I can able to hear you. FRB sir भी बात की है अभी.
Yeah. So, sir, you can proceed with your speech, sir.
Can I proceed with the speech?
Yeah, sir. You can proceed with
So
your
all
speech.
are joined.
Yes,
How
sir.
many? Good evening to all. I, Sheikh Khudaven, CFO, pleased to welcome to all to the 37th general meeting of your company, which is being held through video conferencing facility, other audio visual means in compliance with the provision of the Companies Act 2013, rule made thereunder, SEBI listing regulation read with general circular dated 8th April 2020, 13th April 2020, and 5th May 2020 respectively, issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and SEBI circular dated 12th May 2020. I extended my hearty welcome to Mr. Firoz Boj, Managing Director of the company, Mr. Jaideep Lahiri, Independent Director, Mrs. Geeta Firoz Boj, Director, Mr. Vinayavir, Independent Director, Mrs. Priyanka Jain, Company Secretary, Mr. P. Surya Prakash, Scrutinizer, Gandhi and Company Auditor, Statutory Auditor, for the 37th Annual General Meeting, and to all who are participating through video conferencing facility. I further request Company Secretary to proceed with the meeting. Thank you.
So I would like to inform you that there are total 9 members who are attending the meet through video conference facility, and the time is 4:05 p.m. IST. I further inform the members that pursuant to Section 108 of Companies Act 2013 read with the rules made thereunder and listing agreement, the company provided the facility of remote e-voting to the shareholders to cast their vote electronically on the resolutions as set out in the notice. The remote e-voting commenced at 10 a.m. on 27 September 2020 and ended at 5 p.m. on 29 September 2020, and also provided e-voting facility in the video conference meeting, and request all the shareholders to cast their vote through remote e-voting facility who have not casted their vote in remote e-voting. The company has engaged the services of CDSL, that is Central Depository Services India Limited, as the agency for providing e-voting facility. Since the requisite quorum is present, the meeting to be commenced, and the time is 4:05 p.m. IST, and request Mr. Firoz Rusi Bhote, Chairman and Managing Director, to proceed with the meeting.
Sorry, should I begin?
Yeah, you start your speech, sir.
Good evening, everybody. I hope you're all fine with the COVID virus going on. And me, along with the board of directors, we give your gratitude to Hypersoft Technology for helping your trust during these trying times. And I congratulate the CFO and the entire Hypersoft team for ensuring that everything goes on during these, with all the trouble that we face. Also, brief financial details of company. During the year, your company made a turnover of almost 78 lakhs, against 71.30 lakhs of the previous year, and incurred a loss of 31.73 lakhs against a loss of 19.77 lakhs for the previous year. And the company achieved a turnover of 71.64 lakhs and incurred a net loss of 3.94 up to the third quarter. However, in the fourth quarter, due to the pandemic, a loss it turned out to be less profitable for the company. And your company remains a preferred supplier for several software requirements. Stockbrokers are showing a renewed interest in the product, which is of the highest quality. Additionally, an ERP system for manufacturing and process has been in the focus. We are also concentrating on mobile applications, and the global mobile market is very huge. We have already created 2 products which we hope to put into the market soon. One of which is a complete ERP and the other is for housing society members. However, the absence of skilled manpower and high cost of development are major impediments to growth. With the evolution of these new mobile products, we expect the market to accept the products more readily, and with online advertising which we have introduced, the response has been pretty good. But with no signs of the pandemic slowing down, the management expects that the current situation is likely to continue for some time, and we cannot visit potential customers in places like Bombay and Delhi, which are our main markets. The management on its part continues to strictly adhere to the guidelines provided by the Government of India, the Government of Telangana, and the Government of Andhra Pradesh in order to ensure safety and well-being of all its employees. The company continues to focus on campaign products in addition to increasing the sales volume of newly commercialized products. Company expects to commercialize 3 or 4 products in the current financial year, out of which 2 are almost complete. I would like to express my sincere appreciation for the continued support of the shareholders, bankers, customers, suppliers, dealers, employees, workers, and all stakeholders in each field during the year. I would also like to thank my colleagues on the board for their support and the guidance to the company's management. And lastly, I hope that everything will fall into place in the days to come. Thank you very much.
So,
Priyanka, bol.
yeah. To all the members, I would like to inform you that Board of Directors have appointed Mr. Shri P. Surya Prakash, Company Secretary in whole-time practice, as a scrutinizer for the purpose of scrutinizing the e-voting process in a fair and transparent manner. I would further request Mr. Surya Prakash, scrutinizer, to conduct orderly voting results. I hereby read the I'll be hereby reading the brief notice. So the meeting is conducted with 3 agendas. The first agenda is to consider and adopt audited balance sheet as at 31st March 2020 and profit and loss statement for the year ended 31st March 2020, together with the notes and annexures thereto and report of directors and auditors thereon. Second agenda is to reappoint Ms. Geeta Bhote Firoz, director who retires by rotation and being eligible offers herself for reappointment. Third agenda is to ratify the reappointment and revision in terms of remuneration of Mr. Firoz Rusi Bhote as managing director of the company. Thereafter, I confirm that the annual report for the financial year 2019, comprising of notice of the AGM, audited financial statements for the financial year 2019, board's report and auditor's report, have been sent through electronic mode to all the members who have registered their email address with the company or their respective depository participants. With the permission of the members, I confirm that the annual report and accounts of the company were taken as read. Consequently, I further state that there were no qualifications, observations, and adverse comments or remarks in the statutory auditor's report or secretarial auditor's report. Thereafter, I request members who have pre-registered their name as speakers for the AGM to speak at the video conference meeting. First, Mr. Praful Chavda, member who is attending the meeting through video conference, is allowed to speak.
Praful ji.
Mr. Praful Chavda, you are allowed to speak now.
Praful ji, please speak.
हेलो सर जी।
गोविंद जी।
आवाज आ रही सर?
गोविंद जी।
सर आवाज आ रही मेरी?
Yes, sir. We are able to hear you.
सर, first तो सर बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स चेयरमैन सर को सबको नमस्कार मेरा। ये कोरोना के टाइम पे भी कंपनी अच्छा काम कर रही है, आगे बढ़ रही है। हमारे मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर सर हार्डवर्क करते हुए कंपनी को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। और सर जो एम्प्लॉयज है इसकी सेफ्टी के लिए आप क्या कदम उठा रहे, सेफ्टी का इंश्योरेंस लिए सो या नहीं लिए सो है वो भी बताएंगे। और फ्यूचर में कोरोना के हिसाब से अपना बिजनेस कैसा रहेगा, अफेक्ट होगा नहीं होगा, और कुछ नया प्रोजेक्ट लेके आ रहे कंपनी में, नया प्रोग्राम कुछ लेके आ रहे उसके बारे में बताएंगे। धन्यवाद सर।
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, sir. प्रफुल्ल साहब, हमारे ऑफिस में हम लोग सब बैठ रहे हैं दूर दूर एक दूसरे से, बाहर का कोई आदमी अंदर आने ही नहीं दे रहे हैं किसी को। एंड वी आर कीपिंग सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, 6 फुट दूर सब एक दूसरे से है। हमारा आधा स्टाफ से काम कर रहे हैं, 3-4 लोग ऑफिस आते हैं बस, ऐसा है। Please go ahead.
I would further request Mr. Bharat H. Shah, who has raised his hand, allowed to speak in the meeting.
Mr. Bharat, please unmute and speak. Mr. Bharat.
Mr. Bharat.
It seems he is not there. मतलब he has logged in and left.
Okay.
ठीक है, proceed further then.
Okay. Then I would further request Mr.
Yeah, I'm here, madam.
Yeah, sir. You can go ahead.
Yeah, Mr. Just now heard Mr. Chairman's speech. CA Managing Director. I know him. He has worked for Hyderabad Stock Exchange software for many years, but he has just now told that he has developed some 2 products which are in final stages. So when he is going to launch, because our company's turnover is very, very meager, below 1 crore. So his experience and his knowledge should take this company's turnover top line growth to 4-5 fold in next 2-3 years. We hope his hard work will pay the dividends in coming year. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, in the last 6 months, we have achieved the same turnover as we had done last year. So we hope to do a lot better this year.
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir.
Priyanka, next.
I would further request Mr. Shrikant Jawar, who has raised his hand to speak in the meeting. So I'm allowing him to talk. Mr. Shrikant Jawar, you are now allowed to speak.
मैडम मेरा आवाज आ रहा है मैडम?
Yes, sir. We are able to hear you.
हाँ नमस्कार मैडम, वो श्रीकांत के से मैं बोल रहा हूँ, कमल किशोर। मैं भी शेयर होल्डर हूँ इस कंपनी का। आपने जो अभी चेयरमैन इसी बता दिया, पूरा डिटेल में बता दिया, मैं उसके बारे में कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ, पर आगे अपना फ्यूचर कैसा है। मैं एक चीज देखा साहब, आपने जो शेयर लिस्टिंग करा है वो शेयर लिस्टिंग नहीं करा के जैसा पहले था वैसे ही अच्छा था। शेयर लिस्टिंग करा के आपका एक्सपेंस बढ़ गया, क्यों? अपना शेयर में ज्यादा लिक्विडिटी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है। पहले जैसा था आप HSE में थे, जब से जो अनलिस्टेड था जब से ही बहुत अच्छा था। और ठीक है आप लिस्टिंग करा दिए, अपन अभी फ्यूचर में कैसा रहेगा? अभी तो कम से कम लॉकडाउन में 4-5 महीने से बिजनेस कम होने से सबका डाउन हुआ, आगे फ्यूचर कैसा रहेगा? और हमारे कुंभेश साहब, कुमावत साहब और चेयरमैन साहब को हमारा नमस्कार, और नेक्स्ट सूरज चंद जैन का भी नमस्कार।
नमस्कार सर, आपने जो कंपनी की रूपरेखा हमारे सामने रखी उसके लिए मैं आप लोगों को धन्यवाद देता हूँ। और सर इसी प्रकार आप वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस के अंदर मीटिंग रखें ताकि अमेरिका के से भी कई लोग सुन रहे हैं कई कंपनियों के बारे में भारत के, और इसी प्रकार जैसा लोकल के अंदर बॉम्बे, कलकत्ता, मद्रास, ये लोग भी आपके कंपनी की रूपरेखा जानने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। और मैं आप लोगों को तथा आपकी टीम को धन्यवाद देता हूं कि आपने बहुत ही सुचारू तथा सरल शब्दों के अंदर जो चेयरमैन स्पीच दिया उसके लिए आपको तथा आपकी टीम को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मेरा नाम सुरेश चंद जैन सर।
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I would further request Mr. Bharat Raj to speak in a meeting.
Yeah. Hello. Good
Hello.
afternoon, Chairman. Good afternoon, Chairman. I'm audible.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Mr. Chairman, I'm very happy to see you all happy, healthy, and fine. I'm also happy, healthy, and fine. In your chairmanship, you are given entire what is your future plan, sir. My one question is that due to these latest changes in the trading, the government has SEBI has put some norms. So how we are tackling this issue, sir? Is our software supports that new rules and regulations why SEBI has implemented, and what is the future plan of our company in next 5 years, sir? And I thank the management for supporting entire shareholders. I thank you, sir. I wish we'll meet to fiscal AGM next year. Be safer, be happy, and God bless you all, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
SEBI has come up with so many new rules, and all of them were applicable from the 1st of September. And not a single one of our customers has had any problem so far. And from tomorrow, again, there are new GST rules in the contract note. The QR code has to be printed and all. But our software is completely up to date and there is nothing missing in it. In fact, in the last few SEBI inspections, none of our customers has been penalized at all. So our software is complete and ready, and we are getting new inquiries also for it. Thank you, sir.
Next, Priyanka.
Yes, sir. One sec. I would further request other members, if you have any queries, please raise.
Proceed, already over.
Okay.
So
I would like to
Vote of
further
thanks.
inform you, as per the provisions of the Companies Act 2013, company provided the facility of remote e-voting. After assessing the e-voting results, scrutinizer will submit his report and the results will be announced as per the applicable provisions. The results will be provided on the company website as well as will be submitted to the stock exchange. Further request Mr. Firoz Rusi Bhote, Managing Director, to deliver his vote of thanks.
Thank you, everybody. It was a pleasure meeting you all and having you on this video conference today. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Thank you to everybody.
I think all who have participated, they already voted, no? Priyanka?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So concluding the meeting at time.
Thank you.
Priyanka?
It's 4:21.
4:21. Okay.
I will unblock the votes in the CDS. Sir.
So I'm
Yes, sir,
concluding
sure.
Correct.
it now.
Correct, sir.
I'm concluding it from my end. Shall I?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sure, you can.
Thank you.